Structure of anther. Immature stage of anther represented by group of parenchymatous tissue. Immature stage of anther is represented by group of parenchymatous tissue surrounded by single layered epidermis. Anthरचं immature असतानाची stage is represented by group of parenchymatous tissue which is surrounded by single layered epidermis. Anther is generally dithecous, having two lobes. Anther is dithecous and tetrasporangiate. Anther is generally dithecous and tetrasporangiate. Monothecous anther contains two pollen sacs, and dithecous anther contains four pollen sacs. Therefore, it is tetrasporangiate. Monothecous anther contains two pollen sacs. Dithecous anther contains four pollen sacs. Therefore, it is tetrasporangiate. Heterogeneity arises when hypodermal cells get transformed into archosporial cells. Hypodermal cells get transformed into archosporial cells. TS of anther. Archosporial cell divides into inner sporogenous cell and outer primary parietal cell. Archosporial cell divides into an inner sporogenous cell and outer primary parietal cell. Sporogenous cell forms sporogenous tissue. Each cell of sporogenous tissue is capable of giving rise to microspore tetrad. Parietal cell undergoes divisions to form anther wall layers. Parietal cells undergo division to form anther wall layers. Wall of mature anther consists of four layers: epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, and tapetum. Epidermis is outermost protective layer made of tabular flattened cells. Endothecium is subepidermal. Endothecium is subepidermal layer made up of radially elongated cells with fibrous thickenings. Epidermis is outermost protective layer made up of tabular flattened cells. Endothecium is subepidermal layer made up of radially elongated cells with fibrous thickenings. Inner to endothecium is middle layer made up of thin-walled cells with 1 to 2 layers which may disintegrate in mature anther. Tapetum is innermost nutritive layer of anther. Tapetum is innermost nutritive layer of anther. It immediately encloses the sporogenous cell tissue. Tapetum encloses the sporogenous tissue, that is, microspore mother cells. Each microspore mother cell divides into meiotically to form tetrad of haploid microspores, that is, pollen grains. Each microspore mother cell divides meiotically to form tetrad of haploid microspores. Microspore mother cell divides meiotically to form tetrad of haploid microspores.